Hello, today we're going to go over how to update your directory information using the ASUB Reset portal. Let's get started. To begin, at the top of a new tab, we're going to type in reset.asub.edu. Once the Reset portal loads, we're going to sign in with our staff credentials. Mine is my first initial, middle initial, last name. Then our password. I'm going to enter mine in, then I'll return back to you shortly. Once I've got my password in, I'm going to click Login at the bottom. Once it loads, we can see Self-Update at the very top, and we can scroll down to review over the categories we can change, such as the title, our bio, the department we are in, and who our manager is. To change your manager, click the blue edit link beside the manager box. A prompt pops up that you can quick search the last name of whoever you want. For this example, I'm going to search my supervisor and re-add them. I'm going to click the bubble to the left of their name and then click OK. Once I'm finished, I'm going to click Update at the bottom of the page. That was how to update your directory information using the Reset portal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.